In order to work with some files, your teacher may ask you to access a file within one of these folders and to save it to your SkyDrive. This is how you do it. In this case, we're going to access a file from Unit 2 Windows. So you double click on the folder to open it up, and all the files will open, and your teacher will tell you the file which they require you to open. For example, if they say to open up History of the Internet, and it's alphabetical by the first letter. So click on History of the Internet and select Read Only and select OK. And Word will open up and the document will open up. It'll just take a couple of seconds for this if you have your computer ready. To be a large across in order on Edit Enable Document. Set of ribbons, the tabs that are used of seeing. In order for you to save, okay, so you want to save it, you want to work save and send. You choose save to the web. Okay, and you select sign in, and here you're going to sign in to your email address. Now you must have had signed into your email previously, okay, so you always have to have had your email activated before you do this. If you haven't had your email activated, cancel out of here and go back in and activate your email by taking the link from the front of the school website. But in this case I have activated my email, so I put in my email address, so mlawler11@meadvec.ie, and my password, being careful to enter the digits carefully. Select OK, and it will take a few minutes now, students, it's not instant, okay? So I select, I'm going to save it in my documents there, so select Save As. Okay, it just takes a couple of seconds for it to communicate with the server. Okay, remembering that the computer that it's communicating is not the computer in front of you, but it's the server on the Hotmail account. Okay, mine is spooling here. It's not responding, but it will come through, so I'm just going to give it a second. Okay, here is the location where I'm saving this at the moment. It looks like a funny address, and in fact that is the of the server we're it to. So the history of the internet, and all I do is simply just ignore everything that's there and just select save. And it will save that document back up to your SkyDrive account. Okay, so to get into my SkyDrive account to get that document, I'm going to close it down. Into my home page, select student email, and I'm going to sign. Okay, so the last time, if this pop-up doesn't come up, you just enter 11@vec.ie. Okay, so you enter your details carefully and sign in. Okay, once you're in, you're not going to say, you're coming over to so select SkyDrive. You're going into your documents, because that's where you saved it. And there you have there the history. It will open your document in Word. So select that there, select OK. And by saving it to your SkyDrive means that you can work on this at home or at school in other locations. In. And your document is there.